This is the Jonathan Ray painting I'm working on. I've been putting lots of hours in. I'm very, very busy with family and all kinds of stuff. But here's a few little updates on this painting's progress. And I will be doing how to draw videos at some point this year. But please just be patient. I'm getting there. I've got to do this, and then there's another painting that I've got to do, but I am getting there. So it will be at some point in this year. I will be doing some new how to draw videos. I just cannot tell you exactly when. Anyway, thank you very much for liking the ones that are already up. Please do share them, like and subscribe, and pass on the info. So I am just starting the detail up on Jonathan Ray's crash helmet, and down his right arm, that's the next section. As you can see, his legs are done and the back wheel's done. Anyway, I hope you like it so far. More updates to come. So I've now got behind the bubble done and all down Jonathan Ray's right arm, down to the glove and the front brake lever and protector, and his right leg. Now I've just got to finish the crash helmet off and then get onto the bike. Hope you like it. And after another really long day, the RI crash helmet of Jonathan Ray is now done. Behind the screen is pretty much completed, ready for the highlights. Top part of Jonathan is all done. In fact, all of Jonathan is done, and the back wheel. I've now just got the Kawasaki ZX-10RR to go. And just another little update. As you can see, the helmet is done, and I'm working down, the right arm's done, but I'm working on the top of the fairing of Jonathan Ray's bike, and his number 1 is in. I've just got the headlights to do for this top section, and then I've got the rest of the bike to do. A good few 12-hour days have gone into that. Hope you like it so far. More 12-hour days to go. So I've now got the top part of the Jonathan Ray picture done. The top of the screen with all the reflections and the highlights and everything is done quite nicely down past the number 1, and those 2 headlight clusters, that was a good long day yesterday. But anyway, I hope you're liking that. And the full painting, there we go. I hope you're liking the update so far, and more to come later. Just the bottom part of the bike to go.